TORD plushie. It was suggested by one of the comments, so let's get into it. What you're gonna need is a little bit of white felt, black felt, skin color felt, and some red felt, guys. Start off with the torso. Get your red felt and your scissors, tweezers, and Sharpie. Guys, so to make your torso, I'm using my plush again. So we're gonna see how big we want our torso. So up to there, I'm gonna cut down a strip. Once you have your strip, get a big piece of any kind of stuffing. Put it right here. Okay? Then roll it into your torso. Glue it. Hold it up into your torso. Get your scissors. Cut it up to here. Get rid of the excess felt. Get your hot glue gun. Glue it right here. Not all the way to the edge, alright? Like that. Cut out 2 lines of red here. On a piece like this. Glue it now, and it will look like this. Skin color fabric. A strip of red, roll it up and glue it. Repeat this step. Okay, cut out 4 of these. You have those, glue them together and glue them onto your arms. You got your arms, glue them on. This. Black felt, how long you want your leg, your strip, get a piece of cotton and roll it and glue it to your body. Once you have your body, now you're gonna make your head. Get your skin color. Once you have it, fold it in half and cut out a circle. Once you have your circle, glue it right here and leave a hole. After that, your circle head, turn it inside out and then stuff it. Guys, once you have your head, get your white felt and cut it into pieces of the face that you want on TORD. You could choose any one. Once you got your head, get any kind of brown fabric. Piece like this, just like this. Glue it just like this. Let's get 2 of these, and 2 little bits of stuffing. And glue it like this. At the end, glue it like this. Double this part that I'm doing. Guys, once you have 2 of these, glue it right here. Cut out these guys. Glue them like this. Glue the head on, you're done. Once you have your head glued on, it's basically done. TORD is done. But you have to make shoes. See? He has no. Fold your black felt in half. Cut out 2 rectangles. Okay, glue it on the side and leave a hole. Turn it inside out. Double this step. After you got that, get your white felt. Cut out these. Put them onto the shoes. You got your TORD shoes. Yeah. Okay, glue your shoes on. Now get a white little square. Glue it on your cheek right there. You're done.